The All India Federation of Women Lawyers AIFWL and the Karnataka Federation of Women Lawyers KFWL are set to host the national conference titled Breaking Barriers, Building Bridges at the Banquet Hall of Vidhana Soudha in Bengaluru. This event aims to bring together legal professionals, policymakers, academics, and social advocates to address critical issues affecting women in law and society. The conference will focus on empowering women, enhancing gender equity in the legal profession, and fostering collaboration across sectors. Key discussions will feature topics such as the Uniform Civil Code, women's reservation, artificial intelligence, and cross-border marriages. The two-day event will include interactive sessions on skill building and leadership development, facilitating dialogue among women in law and related fields. It will culminate in drafting a resolution to the Law Ministry proposing essential reforms for the advancement of women and society. Hemalata Maheshi, President of AIFWL, emphasized the conference's goal to create a more inclusive legal system.
We are holding a national conference of women lawyers in Bangalore, that is in Vidhana Soudha Banquet Hall. That is on 28th and 29th of this month. And we are discussing four important subjects which are concerned to women's welfare and women's rights. They are Uniform Civil Code, artificial intelligence, cross-border marriages, and also women's reservation. And several eminent speakers are coming here to speak about that. And thereafter, we are passing the resolutions, and we intend to follow it up after passing the resolution, and to see that our conference success is there when we follow it up for implementation and when they are implemented. So we request, we are having more than 1,000 delegates from all over India, and our All India Federation of Women Lawyers is a federation consisting of all state federations. So we are having more than 1,000 delegates, and we hope that it will be a fruitful exercise.
Sandhya Madinur, President of KFWL, noted the significance of hosting the event at Vidhana Soudha as a symbol of progress toward diversity and gender equality in the legal profession. Speaking to Salar Digital, Madinur highlighted the importance of women advocating for themselves and stressed the need for female representation in bar councils to effectively promote women's causes.
From olden days also, it's a common problem facing every woman lawyer. In fact, who is the advocate, taken it as a challenge, definitely she will come up, sir. I will make it sure. They have to take it challenge with all sense. They have to come up with a knowledge, intelligence, brave, and fighting nature, because we are fighting for the client. Why can't we fight for our own cause? That's the reason. But we are always thinking about our clients' justice. We are very poor in thinking about our justice. In fact, when we get justice in profession, field, equal with the men lawyers, definitely we will come up. But we have to change our mental status. That I call every woman advocates to change their mental attitude, and they have to come up with the equal status with a man in knowledge, intelligence, braveness, and physical appearance, everything. They have to be very studious. And if we start our practice with a professional ethics, no one can get failure in the profession, sir. Definitely they will come up in their field, and they may challengeably work with men advocates. But even then, they are facing lot of problems in their juniorship with the seniors. There are many problems we are nowadays come across, that seniors will not cooperate properly with the women lawyers for their time cooperation, because women are having whatever we are more stronger than men in all sense, but in a physical status we are little bit not stronger, more stronger than man. For that sake, the male lawyers are dominating us. But we have to maintain a timing pattern to work in the senior office. It is to be maintained in every senior councils of the all bar associations, sir. If the senior councils are providing proper timings, that's morning 9 to evening 7, last at the last 7. If they have made opportunities to women lawyers to practice in their offices and even the court halls and even represent before the court also, by giving them a proper brief to represent before court, definitely it will helpful to the women lawyers to work in a same status with the men advocates, sir. That is to be taken into account nowadays, and it is to be followed by every senior council to uplift their women junior colleagues, sir. Otherwise, it's a difficult task to come up in the profession for the women lawyers. That